Number?
I can't tell you. 2550.
Alright, a second. I supposed to have rain spot. Someone can alright. Looks like all cool cars. I can't tell.
What it looks like.
Got to see it Griswold this time. I'm gonna record over there because it's easy to see. It's a grain train. Oh yeah, cool train. Like this cool train. Yeah, it's a pretty long one too. Oh, gas cars. Some MacMillan Yard. 2560, right? Awesome, I caught you. There's the end. Mostly a coal train, so this is called a grain train, which means coal, right?
No.
Those skates.
Grain doesn't mean coal. Grain grows in a field, it's crops. Grain and coal are different.
Oh? Is that what it was or no?
It was a hopper car. It could have been coal or it could have been grain. I don't know.
Yep. Here's the end of it. Green signal. That's it. Cool. So hopper cars have coal too in it, right? It said it can semi-trucks hold coal now.
Yeah?
What?
Yeah?
Wow. I can see the second engine it just burst.
Just burst.
The second engine was 25 something, I know that. I can saw 25 is a question mark. I didn't see the second engine. That's it. This is it. Yep. Alright. Stop now.